What's going on, guys? Wanted to jump on here real quick and give you a little update on my progress with my Jeep. So I'm currently working on a set of these AEV Borah beadlock wheels with these Apex quick release valves. And I was told by Apex that these do not fit with the Borah wheels. And so it is what it is. These are the extra length. And I am making them work with my Borah wheels. Now, by no means can I get my thumb in there and pull this little valve up. And I'll show you what I do once I get them installed. But I wanted to show you what they look like once they are installed. So let me throw this one in, and then I'll show you exactly how I'm going to make it work. All right, so I've got this installed. It's torqued the way Apex would like it. So the nice thing is these are the extended valves. So they just come just a hair above the recess. So unscrew it like you normally would. Okay, so there's the pull tab that you're supposed to pull. Now, obviously I can't get my finger in there to pull, so they're kind of useless, right? So I've got two theories. One, pull on the tab. There it goes. And I can push it in, and it's locked back in. So pull on this. Now, if this breaks, or if there's too much pressure behind that, my idea is I've got a plastic one of these. It's very rigid. And all you got to do is get in there and pull up on it. So even if there's a lot of pressure behind this, I should be able to pull back, release my air, push it in. So theoretically, these will work with the AEV Borah wheels. And because I got the extended length here, I can still use my Thrashed Off Road Quattro inflation deflation kit that just quick clips onto that to inflate my tires. So I'm going to test these out. I'm going to see how I like them. And hopefully everything goes really well with them. But there you go. Apex quick release valves in an AEV Borah wheel.